Which type of empires characterized the proto-globalization phase? A. South American empires. B. African empires. C. North American empires. D. Maritime European empires. The correct answer is D. Maritime European empires. What was Yashwant Rao Holkar also called? A. Jaswant Rao Holkar. B. Daulat Rao Holkar. C. Arjun Rao Holkar. D. Madhva Rao Holkar. The correct answer is A. Jaswant Rao Holkar. What activity is mentioned as a reason for endangerment along with overhunting? A. Disease prevention. B. Reforestation. C. Poaching. D. Habitat expansion. The correct answer is C. Poaching. Rayon and nylon are examples of what type of product made from coal byproducts? A. Fibers. B. Solvents. C. Dyes. D. Plastics. The correct answer is A. Fibers. What is the chemical reaction responsible for apples and some fruits turning brown? A. Browning. B. Ripening. C. Fermentation. D. Oxidation reduction. The correct answer is A. Browning. What is the plasma membrane of an axon called? A. Axoplasm. B. Neurilemma. C. Axolemma. D. Myelin sheath. The correct answer is C. Axolemma. The process described involves the observation of tissues from what kind of slides? A. Live cell cultures. B. Temporary mounds. C. Permanent prepared slides. D. Fresh samples. The correct answer is C. Permanent prepared slides. Which two island groups are formed by the erosional and depositional actions of the sea waves? A. Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. B. Andaman and Nicobar and Sri Lanka. C. Lakshadweep and Maldives. D. Nicobar and Barren Island. The correct answer is A. Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. What concept is defined as population shift from rural areas to urban? A. Archaeology. B. Urbanization. C. Civilization. D. Excavation. The correct answer is B. Urbanization. Who has the right to speak and take part in the proceedings of both houses of parliament? A. The President. B. The Chief Justice. C. The Attorney General. D. The Prime Minister. The correct answer is C. The Attorney General. What is true about bryophytes regarding their vascular system? A. They have both xylem and phloem. B. They possess phloem but not xylem. C. They have no vascular tissues. D. They possess xylem but not phloem. The correct answer is C. They have no vascular tissues. What specific issue did the Dravidian Home aim to address for non-Brahman students? A. Lack of financial aid. B. Lack of qualified teachers. C. Lack of hostels. D. Lack of study materials. The correct answer is C. Lack of hostels. What indicates that the mixture is ready and should be taken off the stove? A. It begins to bubble. B. It turns solid. C. It becomes dark. D. It cools down. The correct answer is A. It begins to bubble. Which island in Indonesia experienced a terrible explosive eruption on 27 August 1883? A. Java. B. Krakatoa. C. Bali. D. Sumatra. The correct answer is B. Krakatoa. What describes the nature of chemicals synthesized by many microorganisms and plants for protection? A. They are beneficial. B. They are inert. C. They are neutral. D. They are toxic. The correct answer is D. They are toxic. What is the study of the universe called? A. Cosmology. B. Biology. C. Geology. D. Astronomy. The correct answer is A. Cosmology. Which of the following describes the shape of some nerve cells or neurons? A. Oval. B. Round. C. Amoeba-like. D. Branched. The correct answer is D. Branched. What is the atomic mass of copper, Cu? A. 58.71. B. 65.54. C. 63.54. D. 69.72. The correct answer is C. 63.54. What should you do before stopping or turning while riding a bicycle? A. Make noise. B. Look behind you. C. Give proper indications. D. Increase speed. The correct answer is C. Give proper indications. What role do carbohydrates play in the body? A. Building muscles. B. Improving vision. C. Providing energy. D. Fighting infections. The correct answer is C. Providing energy. Which kind of equality is described as ensuring equal status for all citizens in society? A. Political equality. B. Social equality. C. Economic equality. D. Cultural equality. The correct answer is B. Social equality. Vettangudi Bird Sanctuary is situated in which district? A. Erode. B. Aryalur. C. Sivgangai. D. Kanchipuram. The correct answer is C. Sivgangai. When does the pressure on the outside of the tympanic membrane increase? A. When it vibrates outward. B. When sound returns from the seabed. C. When a compression of the medium reaches it. D. When a rarefaction of the medium reaches it. The correct answer is C. When a compression of the medium reaches it. Who was the Premier of China when the Panchsheel Agreement was signed? A. Deng Xiaoping. B. Mao Zedong. C. Xi Jinping. D. Ch Yunlei. The correct answer is D. Ch Yunlei. Which book was written by Jawaharlal Nehru? A. Hind Swaraj. B. Discovery of India. C. India Wins Freedom. D. My Experiments with Truth. The correct answer is B. Discovery of India. What is the general topic of the ICT Corner section? A. State government steps. B. Legislative powers of Ghana. C. High Court jurisdiction. D. Official websites of Indian states. The correct answer is A. State government steps. What measurement could be determined using appropriate jaws of a vernier caliper to find the volume of a beaker? A. Its mass. B. Its density. C. Its inner diameter and depth. D. Its temperature. The correct answer is C. Its inner diameter and depth. Who named Guru Angad, Lehna, as his successor? A. Guru Gobind Singh. B. Guru Nanak. C. Guru Arjan Dev. D. Guru Ram Das. The correct answer is B. Guru Nanak. Which regions were managed by Menander after his invasion was repulsed? A. Ujjain and Vidisha. B. Gangetic Valley and Sindh. C. Patliputra and Magad. D. Kabul and Sindh. The correct answer is D. Kabul and Sindh. What can vary in the recordings of different students for a single measurement? A. The measuring tool. B. The object being measured. C. The final reading. D. The fundamental quantity. The correct answer is C. The final reading. How did you score?